lemon tree. It's the calamansi, and it's a foggy morning.
It's 49 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly cloudy skies. Today, you can expect clouds and showers, with a high of 63 degrees and a low of 47 degrees.
It is time to prune the citronelle since it is blocking the walkway now. Now time to prune the trees. Winter time is the perfect time to prune the trees when they are dormant. So I'm using this like Saker or Sucker mini chainsaw. This is perfect for home gardeners. So this one. I have another video when I unboxed this one. So let's just put the battery. Cut out this like branch too. This one. This branch because it is really close to the roof too. And then by the way, this one has a safety. One second. This one has a safety lock, so it will only operate if you press this like lock. You have to press it and then you press the other one. Without that, it's like locked. Repurpose them as like a climbing thing for a climbing twig for the beans. Here too. This one too. How sharp and how fast to cut. Oh. And it's also the time to uproot some weeds like this one. Oops, I need to. You have to uproot the entire like root system, otherwise they'll just grow back. is a calamondine that fell off the tree. I think this is a weed too. This one too. This one. This is these are flowers. I think those are like pansies from like the seeds that were blown by the wind. This is a calamondine. This is like a weed. This one too. This is calamondine. It's better to uproot them while they're like really like young or tiny. It's easier. When they establish the root system, it's more challenging. Like this like type of weed is quite challenging to uproot when they are more matured. This one too. But it's very easy when after the rain, and then when they are still like small. What else? Here. Continue our weeding off the garden. This one is big, and this one we don't need this anymore. This is dry. Artichoke. Since we are also like weeding, like uprooting weeds, we need to uproot this and this. And there's more here.